Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time, then welcome. Today I've got for you a nice simple style that'll last you 1 to 2 weeks, protective style. If you like to see this, then keep on watching. If it's your first time on this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos every single week. Alright, so I started off with, I just took out my yarn twist and I have a video up on how I took those out and the yarn twist, how I install them. And I asked you on Instagram what you wanted to see, and I was told to do a style that would be about 20 minutes long and that would last you at least 2 weeks. So I think this kind of covers all of that. I don't know about the 20 minutes, but maybe like 30 minutes, depending on how quick you braid, will determine how long this installment takes you. So start off with your hair down the middle, or line down the middle, divide your hair in two, and then we're going to divide the two into two again. So you're going to have 4 quarters, or 1 quarter each. No, 4 quarters, right? All right, ignore my edges because I had edge control, so that's why it looks a bit funny. And my scalp is a bit dry because I didn't oil my scalp. So don't do what I do. Do what I tell you to do and oil your scalp, please. You need to put some oil on there. Well, that's if you've got flaky scalp. I obviously am having some flakes. All right, so when you've got your hair divided into 4, make sure you use a mirror for this because you want your lines as straight as possible. I went back and I straightened my lines out. And we're just going to braid going back. This is not a video kind of to show you or to teach you how to do braids, so you need to know how to do a cornrow. But if you want some videos kind of teaching you step by step, talking you through how to do a cornrow, then please let me know in the comments down below. I know some of you have asked about that, but let me know what if you guys really need this, and I will make sure to kind of have a series on just how to braid and how to flat twist and things like that. My hair is looking super flaky. It's clean, guys. Honestly, I really just washed this. I really just washed my hair. I don't know why it's flaky, but we'll sort that out. So that's it. I'm just gonna braid, do some cornrows on each side or each quarter, and I'm gonna stop talking now so you can just watch it. It's pretty self-explanatory if you know how to do cornrows. Again, if you don't, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to do some videos for you guys teaching you how you can do it on yourself and maybe how you can do it on your child as well. All right, guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoy that nice, simple style. I'm going in with a nice gold thread just to jazz it up slightly. I'm using my crochet pin with the larch. Make sure you have one with the larch. and then just kind of go through and jazz it up as much as you want. All right, so to maintain this style, make sure you sleep with a scarf or your scalp daily or every other day or 3 times a week if that's what you need. And also put some mousse on it to kind of put the flyaways down if you've got some at home. If you haven't, that's fine. Just again, put the scarf on. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you are notified when I post videos every single week. And before you kind of rush off, there are other videos on this channel that you can kind of binge on a little bit. All right, I'll see you in my next video and enjoy the rest of it.